Are you looking for a fast, slim, and easy-to-use scanner for your photos and documents? Then you'll want to check out the Canon CanoScan Lide 400 Slim Scanner. It's compact, powerful, and delivers excellent results. Backend index pointing right. Please check the video description for the latest price. The CanoScan Lide 400 is designed to give you high-speed scanning in as little as 8 seconds. Thanks to the included USB Type-C cable, you only need one connection for both data and power. That means no bulky adapters or extra wires, just a clean and simple setup. Now let's talk about scan quality. This scanner offers an impressive 4800 by 4800 dpi resolution, making it perfect for preserving your detailed photos and important documents. Whether it's old family photos, artwork, or paperwork, you'll get sharp, clear, and accurate results every time. Canon has also added smart image enhancements to make your scans even better. With features like color restoration and dust removal, your scanned images will look fresh, vibrant, and clean. This is especially useful for older or faded photographs that you want to bring back to life. One of the highlights of the CanoScan Lide 400 is its easy buttons. These buttons make scanning effortless. For example, with auto scan mode, the scanner automatically detects what you're scanning and adjusts the settings for the best result. There are also built-in PDF buttons that let you quickly scan and save multi-page documents into a single, searchable, and even editable PDF file. This makes it perfect for both home and office use. In terms of size, the CanoScan Lide 400 is slim and compact. At just 7.7 inches by 14.5 inches and only 0.4 inches thick, it doesn't take up much space on your desk. It's lightweight, easy to store, and stylish enough to fit into any workspace. The scanner also supports standard paper sizes like 8.27 by 11.69 inches and 8.5 by 11.69 inches, which means it's versatile enough for most of your scanning needs. So, if you want a scanner that combines speed, quality, and simplicity, the Canon CanoScan Lide 400 Slim Scanner is an excellent choice. Backend index pointing right. Please check the video description for the latest price. With its high-resolution scanning, smart image enhancements, easy-to-use features, and sleek slim design, this scanner is perfect for students, professionals, and families alike. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's built to deliver high-quality results every time. Don't let your important documents and precious memories sit around unprotected. Digitize them quickly and easily with the Canon CanoScan Lide 400 Slim Scanner.